hip extension with the Pilates ring. Now, just like everything that you've learned in Pilates, the same principles apply as to our positioning from our shoulders all the way to our tailbone. Shoulder blades are down and back, rib cage is engaged, and your pelvis, because we're lying down on the floor, will be parallel to the floor. So you'll start with the ring at your ankles, lying down, face down, and bending your knees 90 degrees. Now from here, lying all the way down, trying to line up your spine. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do, and then I'll line my head up. Remember that the shoulder blades are down and back. You can rest your hands by your sides or all the way down, but typically by the sides feels a little bit more comfortable. Your pubic bone should be aiming straight out, right behind you, so that your pelvis, from the areas of the pelvis to the pubic bone, is parallel to the ground. Now, sitting here with the head down, take a deep breath and basically contract your glutes so they come up off the ground and release. If you try to lift your legs, you will throw your pelvis off. So the only thing I want you to think about doing is actually contracting the muscle of your glute, and in turn, the legs will lift. It looks like this. Inhale one way, exhale the other. And as you're lifting, create a little bit of resistance inside, utilizing the inner thighs at the same time. The rib cage is in so tight that it doesn't feel like you're pushing your belly to the floor. It actually feels like the belly is lifted up off the ground. And the shoulder blades remain down and back. Now, if you wanted to, you could lay your hands down so you could rest your head and place all your emphasis in the glutes. One more time. And release. Extending the legs out and coming out from there. So keeping in mind, once again, it's not lifting. It literally is the contraction of the glute muscle, which raises your thighs off the floor. It's not a giant lift. If you try to make the lift any bigger than it is, you'll put a lot of stress and strain on your lower back, and then it's no fun. So really think about keeping in, it's like the girdle, keeping in the girdle by pulling in from the rib cage, and then simply contracting the muscles of your glutes.